The 55th Operations Group is installing new aircrew training simulators that were destroyed during Offutt's historic flood.
When the flood happened, this whole part of the base right here flooded. Behind the buildings over there were 3 aircrew training devices or simulators, as well as a large amount of mission support equipment that we need to do our mission around the world. All those simulators were destroyed. Without those trainers, we're not able to complete the training that is required per the wing. So we had to send people to different places like Greenville, Texas, where we have our simulators designed. The cost of that is just enormous, though, to have people, an entire crew, go on a trip. So we had to figure out another way to do that. One way we're doing that is with on-the-ground trainers, or OGTs. But with that, it's an immense toll on our maintainers who have to set up all this equipment when they set up the jet. It also takes our planes away from doing actual flying and from being deployed around the world. Right now we're just installing one new ATD, which is on the other side of the base, away from the flood. They're doing it in about 4 months, when usually it takes almost a year to do an install and to prep it down in Texas.
For 55th Wing Public Affairs, I'm Charles J. Heyman.